What's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be looking for more information on Warrior Plus. Maybe you're a beginner, you're just getting started, you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, but you have no idea how to do it because affiliate marketing can be pretty complicated, okay? So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you how to work Warrior Plus, but more importantly, how to actually market it properly, because the problem is that most people don't make that much money with Warrior Plus because they don't understand how to market the Warrior Plus products online, okay? And that's what we're going to be talking about a little bit more today. Now, Warrior Plus is a huge, affiliate marketing marketplace, right? So you can buy a lot of, you can use a lot of information products here and just promote them online. But the problem is if you don't know what you're doing, you're not going to make any money anyway, right? So I'm going to talk about that, and I'll show you how to work this website. But the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for free, okay? I'm not going to do that right now, but once you're signed up, you want to log in, and I'm going to log in here. Should have already. Oh, here we go. Just give me a second. Let me log in, and then I'll teach you how to navigate this a little bit, right? The great thing about websites like Warrior Plus is they're very easy to navigate. You can see here the top products that they are marketing right here. So you basically need to decide for yourself what kind of products you want to market, right? So you can look at if you come up here, you can look at the top products, you can look at the categories. So let's look at the categories that they actually have stuff in. They have a lot of categories. They've got marketing education. So generally speaking, under marketing education, you're talking about stuff like internet marketing, affiliate marketing, make money online, email marketing, traffic. It's all stuff around what we just spoke about, right? The internet marketing, make money from home type industry, right? CPA marketing, drop shipping is the only one that's really different, which is basically e-commerce, okay? And then some of the other ones are platforms, industries like investing in stock market, local business, real estate. There's a bit of software as well, and there are some services too, okay? So services like SEO services, copywriting, things like that. Generally speaking, the area that's very popular though is around the marketing area. So under affiliate marketing, internet marketing, the make money from home space, right? So if you were to go into marketing education, all you would really need to do is find the right products, have a look at what you want to market, right? And then grab it, and then you would basically market it. So let's just have a look at this product right here called Traffic X. A lot of them generally kind of look like this. They've got a title, they've got a video, and then they've got a little link, and when people pay for it, you make a commission, and that's kind of how it works, right? It's very, very simple. A lot of Warrior Plus products as well, they're generally on the lower end, right? And their front end offer is generally quite low. Look, this one only costs $12, right? So $12, and there's usually a whole bunch of upsells in the background, and then you can decide on whether or not you want to market these kinds of products. But generally quite cheap products, $7, $12, $20, $37. They all range around there, okay? So what you need to do is you need to grab your link, and you would basically need to come in here as an affiliate. You would need to grab your links from here, and then you would just go and decide what you want to promote, and then you would promote the products, okay? So what I'm going to talk about now is I'm going to teach you how to actually market the products. That's more important, okay? Navigating the website for Warrior Plus is very easy, okay? You can kind of go in here, you can go around, and you can figure it out. But what's more difficult is to actually market the product properly. So what you need to understand is first, register. So what I'm going to do is create a free account, okay? Then you want to research. No, I would say decide on the industry you want to sell in. That's important, right? So what niche market do you want to sell in? Do you want to do CPA products? Do you want to do affiliate marketing? Do you want to sell software? Do you want to sell information products? Only you can decide on what you want to sell, okay? So create a free account, decide on the industry that you want to sell in, and then I would grab the product link. Okay, so grab the Warrior Plus product link, which you will get inside here, inside the marketplace here. You can just come down here and actually go to the office section, and then find your affiliate link in there, okay? And then that's basically what you have to market. right? Now, this is the big thing that you're going to see, especially as a beginner, okay? What a lot of people are going to teach you how to do is they're going to say, okay, all you need to do is you need to get traffic, all right? Now, traffic are basically eyeballs online and potential customers, okay? Potential customers. That's basically what traffic is, right? If you hear that word traffic, that's all it means. How do you find pools of people on the internet that might be interested in your product, and how do you send them to your website so that you can start to build a relationship with them and sell the products that you're trying to sell, okay? So what you have to do is you have to find the right traffic, and there's a lot of different traffic sources online. There is, social media, so social media like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. All of these websites allow you to either generate leads for free, or you can use their paid sections on there, and you can generate paid traffic. Okay, now every single one of those examples I gave you just now have different ways of generating traffic through their website. So Facebook is slightly different from YouTube. YouTube is slightly different from Instagram. Instagram is slightly different from LinkedIn. And so you have to learn how to drive the traffic towards your websites. Okay, now this is not a traffic training video, so I'm not going to teach you how to do that right now, but I just want to explain to you how that works, okay? So social media, there's banner ads that you can do, there's pay-per-click marketing, there is search engine marketing, there is blogging and SEO. There's lots and lots of different ways to get traffic or eyeballs to the stuff that you want, okay? So just understand that you need to go out there and learn one or two of these really great strategies, get really good at them, and then learn to get them to your website, okay? So I'm just assuming that you're going to learn how to do this, all right? So let's just say you're going to get traffic now, and you're going to send them to your stuff, to your website. So the first thing that you have to send them to is you have to send them to something called a capture page. Now, a capture page, all it is it's a website that allows you to capture your potential customer's email address in exchange for giving them something of value, okay? Now, if you're promoting, for example, let's just say you're promoting a weight loss product, okay? So you have to make sure that you're teaching your potential customers all about weight loss. You cannot mix the industries, okay? So if you're promoting internet marketing stuff, you have to drive internet marketing traffic to your pages. If you're promoting weight loss stuff, you have to drive people that are interested in losing weight to your capture pages. You can't mix the two, all right? So you can't have, golfing people coming into a capture page that teaches them all about weight loss, because the messaging is wrong, right? People that are interested in golf are not interested in weight loss. So you have to make sure that the congruency is there. That's the most important thing, right? So the right traffic to the right capture page, and that's kind of how you start to build a relationship with these people. Now, this is what a lot of people are going to teach you, right? After this, they will say, okay, all you have to do is send them to your Warrior Plus link, okay? But you don't want to do this, all right? Because if you do this, then you're going to look the same as hundreds of thousands of affiliate marketers online that are doing exactly that. And the problem is people don't buy from affiliate marketing sales pages anymore. If you just send a lot of traffic to a sales page, they're not going to buy because they know it's a sales page. They know you're trying to sell them something, all right? So what you have to do instead is you don't do that. What you have to do is you have to build out your own online assets, okay? Or better known as websites, right? That basically brand you, and you have to teach them a little bit about this particular thing that you're trying to sell. I know that sounds complicated, but actually it's very, very easy, okay? All you really need to learn how to do is you have to learn a little bit about your industry, okay? So if you're selling weight loss products, you have to learn a little bit about weight loss. That's just the name of the game, okay? So what I would do is I would buy a product on weight loss. I would learn a little bit about weight loss, and then I would build out my own online assets, right? And my own online websites. And I would use video to teach this audience member here that is coming into my what's called a sales funnel now, my universe, right? I would teach them a little bit about weight loss every day, okay? And then what I'm doing now is I'm building a relationship with my audience member, right? So instead of selling them straight away, which is what a lot of people do, which is why most of them don't make any money on Warrior Plus, okay? I want to educate my audience so that they get to know, like, and trust me. And when they're ready, my websites are going to automatically promote the Warrior Plus link, which is basically the weight loss product that I'm trying to sell, okay? Weight loss product, in this example, right? Sales page, okay? So I'm building a relationship with them first. I'm branding me, so you need to brand yourself as the weight loss expert. You're teaching them on a regular basis. And then when they're ready, your websites, your online assets are going to promote the Warrior Plus links, and then these people that are coming in, your audience, right, your traffic, your leads, they're going to buy the products that you recommend because they trust you and not necessarily the weight loss product, if that makes sense, right? So people buy from people, they don't buy from websites, okay? They're gonna buy from you because you're super cool, you're teaching them about weight loss, and then that's how you generate a lot of commissions through Warrior Plus, okay? Now, the strategy that I'm teaching you is universal for all affiliate products. It's not necessarily just for Warrior Plus. So there are a lot of other places, other marketplaces out there like ClickBank, Share a Sale, JVZoo. You know, these are just some of the many affiliate marketplaces that you can leverage in order to learn how to sell affiliate products online, okay? So if you do it this way, you're going to get a lot of results. If you do it the other way, which is just traffic capture page straight to the, you know, your Warrior Plus link, you're not going to make any money, okay? Please understand that, right? Now, first of all, I'd like to know if you got some value from this video today, because this is basically the strategy that I've used to create a six-figure business, okay? Now, if you want to learn how to do this step by step, then I'd love to show you how to do it, all right? All you have to do is click on the link in the description box, right? And when you click on that link, you're gonna go to the next page, enter your email address, and I'm gonna send you a video that's gonna show you in 7 steps how to do this properly. And over the next few days, I'm going to show you how to build it out in the best way possible, so that you know how to, so that you learn how to do this stuff properly, if that's what you want to learn how to do, okay? So if you want to learn how to become a 6-figure, 7-figure affiliate marketer with Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank or whatever other information / affiliate marketing products that you want to sell, then that video, when you click the link below, is going to teach you how to do that, okay? So listen, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully we speak soon. Take care.